So what's up, guys? Today is Sunday, alright? Guess what? I'm cooking. No, me. No, this little girl over here is cooking. I came here to help. Alright. So I'm about to explain what she do. African dishes. I explain to you a little bit about what she do that. So y'all meet Rook. Guys, what she doing today? What you doing today? What you doing today?
Rice
Come
and
on.
black eyed peas.
Rice and what?
Black eyed peas.
Oh my goodness. So what's she doing today?
Cook the fish.
Yo, see what she cooking today. Fish here. We have pepper. We have tomatoes. And we have our beef. We go with so yo, we have everything over here, alright? That we about to cook today. It's Sunday, so from here I'm joining my friends too, alright? There's thing going on here. So she about to add the goya, adobo, and we have our sauce out here. We have polo, that is chicken flavor. We have the meat, the fish. So, as you know, we have the fish. We have to put this one right? So we have to steam the fish and make it so nice, tastes good. You know what I'm saying? So this is the easiest way of making. What did you say? What is the fish name? Chicken. Hey, I did a good so much. So yeah, guys. What's going on here? Alright. What's going on here? Alright. Cook the beans. After the beans, so this is the meat too. That we have to go with the meat. And we have the fish here too. And she's trying to make the fish so good. And from there we have the rice. Alright. This is called rhuqy. This is called rhuqy in case you don't know what it is. Yeah. So it's ongoing, guys. So what you gonna do with this one?
Steam it and use it for the stew.
Okay, she needs to steam this one for tomato stew, and we're gonna let you know how it's gonna go. So keep on being on this. How good it is, guys. How good it is. So now she is going with a chicken fish. Oh my god, I can't stand this, man. Ooh! So yeah, from there the rhuqy is ready. Not that ready, but she's steaming the meat. Alright guys, this is how we do it. So you brown the onion. I didn't be on the count. Garlic and onion. That I'll put everything in the video so you know how she did it. Alright, so from there you put your salt on it and you put your goya. Is it goya, right? Yeah, goya dubu. All that all seasoned. Yeah, these are all seasoned peppers. Alright, so you need to get this one from African market. And in case if you want to know the African market, we have Alexander. We have this one in Walmart too. Alright, it's cheaper in Walmart. You can get it from there in case if you want to do it on your own. And if you have any question that you don't understand, I mean, since I cook, I can able to give you a little bit of tips. I can give you what I know. So this is how she's doing it. She needs to stir that food so it's well cooked. Mamacita too. Hey, 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 hey. So yeah, as she got a moves today, every day. We on cooking, guys. So stand with us, alright? You know, it's been a long. I don't cook. I don't really get a time to cook. You know what I'm saying? But since you're doing the cook today, and guys, you made me pay for all this stuff. She made me pay for it. Alright. Oh my goodness. So this is the meat. Yo. Yeah. So from there you have to find something to cover the food so nice. Alright. So this is virgin oil, as you know. You know the kind of virgin I'm talking about, alright? This is extra virgin olive oil. This is the best oil that you need to use, alright? No sickness, nothing, bro. This is so helpful. It's healthy, alright? Yeah. You know, you are still in the kitchen, bro. You stay in the kitchen, dog. We have the gizzard, so we add the gizzard to the meat. After it be there for some few minutes. All right, let's say like 15 minutes.
I'll have the gizzard in here as well, trying to steam it for a little while. We don't want it to be so tender like the goat meat. So after a while, we'll take it out and then leave the goat meat to simmer more. Yep.
So you be there, let's say 15 minutes, all right? You're going to be there, let's say 15 to 20 minutes, all right, guys? In case if you're doing it.
So you can have the crunchy taste when you chew your gizzard.
Yo, she get all the moves, all right? I know how to cook, like, relax, all right? This is the new stuff for me. Okay. Guys, she is done with the second fish. So she needs to add this one. So as we still doing this stuff, our meat and then gizzard is still right here, steaming it to make it nice, sweet. Oh, the aroma, bro. Yo, it's like a perfume. So this is what we have today with the mama. With the mama. So you see how crunchy it is, right? So good. All right, I know it's stew. So first of all, what you have to do, you have your onions. It doesn't matter whether you have a chopping board or whatever. It doesn't matter. So you put your onion in there. Huh? Lufthansa. Lufthansa. Yeah. So guys, you make sure it doesn't burn. Alright. You check your things in order. So you have your pepper here with so you add your pepper, then you stir it a little bit. Alright. Stir it. Man, I said I can cook. So you put in there with your onion, with it mixed with a garlic and ginger with onion. So you do that and you stir a little bit. I don't do like as I'm doing right here. Do the same as I'm doing right here. You add your tomatoes, your tomato paste. It's called Hans. That's the best in the market. My own opinion, alright. This is the best that I know is good for you. A lot of people use this for our jollof rice, which is the better. If you want the better jollof rice from Ghana, from the West, I know a lot of people are saying Nigerian. Once after, you need to add this one. She already added the double all-purpose seasoner. She already added this one. All right, she already added it. So from there, we have our Maggi. If you want the She gave me a hot pet, alright? Got hot. So she about to add this one, alright? So when you go to African market, this is what we have over there. You can ask for the name. So you add this one too. So you have to break it into pieces. Alright, you need to break it into pieces to make it so easy for you. Yeah. So you make it easy, alright? Don't stress yourself in the kitchen, bro. Other time I didn't break it down, I nearly broke my hands. Alright. I'm about to try, alright? I'm about to try how that tastes like. So let's see. Let's see. Try, alright? Oh man, bro. You can add your black eyed peas, which is called beans that I know. Yeah, from the home, that's how we call it. So once you add this one, make sure you put it in gently as it is, as she's doing out here. Alright. So put it in. 2, guys, let's count this. Alright, so after that you stir the stew gently, smoothly, nice how it is. So I see how she's making this delicious flavor.
Do you know there's a dog called Jezebel?
It's blended, alright. So it's blended. So guys, it's blended, alright, with it's give a nice flavor and a good taste. This is the end product of this stew. This is the end product, alright. So look good, it look good, it look good. Let me give you this tip, alright. I went to Nigeria 5 years ago. I remember when I went to Nigeria for a long time. Bro, I went to Lagos to enjoy their dishes, bro. I tried this jollof rice, man. It was so bad, bro. I didn't like it. If you want the best jollof rice, I guarantee you the best one from the West. And the best one from the West is Ghana jollof rice. I know a lot of people gonna be arguing on my channel here, but I'm telling you, if you want the best from the home, I've tasted Ghanaian jollof rice. I love rice. I love jollof. Jollof is my best food ever. I've enjoyed a lot of food. So I went to Nigeria. I didn't like their food. Most of the food I didn't like it. I remember my cousin told me, "Do you want to try the egusi soup and
Coming soon, baby."
But yo, I didn't like it at all. I didn't like it. I have Nigerian friends. That they tasted the Ghanaian own. They like it so much better than the Nigerians. Alright, I know everybody likes his food. I know most of the Nigerians will be arguing that, oh hey, I like the Nigerian food better, but they're lying though. I know a lot of friends that I took them to African restaurant that they were giving a lot of testimonies concerning Ghana jollof rice. Alright, so I didn't like it. Though I like their chicken, their meats. I like them. I didn't try all the food because those I tried, I didn't like it, guys. I don't like it at all. So if you want the best from the West, that's Ghana jollof rice. And I love rice on my channel. And I'll show you the tip how to cook jollof rice, a good Ghana jollof rice, alright? So guys, as she's still cooking, I'm here enjoying, I'm enjoying, bro. I'm so happy that she's cooking. Because I'm hungry, bro. I never eat a long time, alright? Since morning, alright? So as I'm here, yes, I'm here to eat, to enjoy food, alright? She always cook for me the other time that I like the food so much. So always when she call me, I know I'm coming home to eat the good food. So I know most of the time people be asking me at work, and most of my friends that I know, they're from here, they're asking me how to make African dishes. Cause I cook a lot. I post on my Snapchat, I post on my Facebook, my Instagram and all that. But today I decided to vlog what we're doing this evening, alright? So we came back from church, this is what we gotta do. I'm so hungry today. But I'm here with the mama. So guys, I can't wait. So what she doing today, right now? So guys, I'm so tired today. Oh my goodness, I couldn't do. Guys, we are done with the stew. All right. If you are new here, you know the.
Almost every weekend.
So if you think you're new here, subscribe to my new channel, like, share, and see you guys the next time.